Guess what, guys? I just saw Keeta launching the drone for delivery in Avenue Mall. Let's go check it out. So Keeta is a food delivery company in Dubai. They officially launched in Dubai in September 2025, and it's already looking like they've been around for over a year because they are already everywhere. Anywhere you go, you see Keeta. You know, I was just driving home this evening and I saw their bikes again. Then I remember, oh, I made the video on my way from work yesterday, and I've not posted it. So this video is not just about Keeta drone delivery. Also, it is to tell you that whatever you plans to do in 2026, be more intentional about your goals. Don't procrastinate. I mean, I'm also talking to myself. This is the right time to start. The best time to start is now. So wake up, get up, and get things done. Be like Keeta.